Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to do a little bit different stuff today. I'm going to do an unboxing. And these are the new TRX rims for the early Foxbody Mustangs. So these are from LMR. And I am not sponsored by them, so just a customer. But I've had them for quite a while, but I've never, ever, other than this, just slightly open. Take this dolly. Let's do it like that. There, guys. Straight from LMR. And show you what they are. There you go, people. That's the brand new TRX right there. So, yep. These are a lot better than the old ones because the old ones were diametrics, and so they were like $400 a tire. So we're gonna wrap these ones with these General Tire G-Maxes, and look at this. Got them on clearance, $40. And this is a G-Max AS05. That's a 225/50 ZR16, and I think they retail for about 90. I don't know, somewhere right there, but I got them for $40. Got a new set of lug nuts. Those don't come with that, but that's gonna go on our 79 project. So looking good, huh? So we'll be installing these this week. Well, we're gonna paint it first and then have these put on, but I like it a lot. But yes, these are the new ones, you guys. If you're thinking about, if you had an old Foxbody and you're like me, you got rid of the rims back in the day because tires were just ridiculous and they sucked in the wet or the winter, forget about it. So, and even when I was buying it back in the mid-80s, they were still $200 a tire, and now they're 4 to 5, I've heard. But these ones are 16-inch rim, so any 16-inch tire will do. So I got some good ones. So anyways, guys, keep following this project. If you like it, please share and hit that subscribe button and the like button. And if you would, like and subscribe. Remember, no haters. Peace out.